Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today is July the 17th and back on July the 10th, so 7 days ago, I planted these radishes from seed, and within 2 days they were already pushing through the soil. But just a little experiment. I just wanted to do it in a container like this, and I've got them in the sun for most of the day, and they're coming along really well. If you want to try something super easy, radishes are a really good way to go because they are ready in about just 1 month. So that's it, real fun one. That's it. Thanks for watching.